Hello everyone, so we're here to talk about a typical issue with NetApp Harvest when you try and go into the NFS connections dashboard. So let's do this, and I click on NFS connection, and here you can see on the upper right hand corner there's a problem with the DS graphite variable, and that's just a bug in the way that Harvest is distributed. Some variables just didn't get replaced by the correct value. So the fix is actually pretty simple. You need to edit the JSON for that dashboard. It's right here. And replace any occurrence of DS graphite value, like you see here, by null. So let's do this. Here, I'm going to paste this in a text editor, search and replace the whole thing with the quote, and replace this by null. Replace all. It replaced 4 occurrences. So let's do this. Copy, paste it back here, save changes, and go back to the dashboard. And now it's working correctly. So it's just a quick tip. And it can happen on other dashboards as well. We're going to fix that in the next release, or at least we're going to try. And that's it for today. Thank you.